60 plus 27t minus t squared, right? Where t is an element of 0, it is t, because I'm saying so 6, right? Then now the first question lapha itini calculates the average change between 3 and 6 seconds, right? Calculates the average change between 3 and 6 seconds. Lapha is more like you're calculating what's an average gradient. Is that clear? So, uzofuna balapana calculate the average change, angish. So you can just say the average change is given by what? It will be given by ut at 6 minus ut at 3 all over u6 minus 3, right? What is t at 6? So you just substitute by 6 where there is t lapaya, right? What is t at 3? You'll just substitute by 3 where there is t lapaya, right? Okay, what is t at 6? Guys, use your calculators. What is t at 6? What is t at 6? It is 6. What is t at 3? The temperature when time is 6 seconds. So it's 114. Right? Okay, then what is the final answer? What is the average change? Guys, make sure Usman Shai calculator ni shaga. Thanks na boss ange paste calculator lamin. Yes? 114 ufthatha u3 umfaka lapha ya. U6 sithatha asathe lo 6 lo sathe lo 6 sam substitute lapha kule equation. Nemi hope uswenze njalo lo ongiyeza u6. What is the average gradient? It's negative 36. That is the average change. So, if there is negative or is positive, go show something local patterns on Jella first. Now, T1 Lapana, after how many seconds will the temperature be a maximum? So, for minimum or maximum? For maximum temperature this time, sizothola uT prime at t sim equator to 0, right? And then solve for t. Alright, now asibukeni usoyenza kanjani there. Batheni laphana after how many seconds? So we're solving for the value of t. Now let us derive laphaya. Answer singakwazi ukuderive lapha. Singakwazi ukuderive lapha, right? Why? Ayikho roots, yes. Radical sign. Why foot? Akekho t on the denominator, yes. And I come up bracket. So it's not derive. So let us derive lapha. So let t prime at t. So banobani. Asimfaka 0 phala lapha. Forget about 0. So it's 27 minus 3t squared. Then we must take this base equator to 0. 27 minus 3t squared is equal to 0. Then from here we have to solve for t, right? We have to solve for t. So you can just say this is 3t squared equals to 27, right? Because the law means negative, divide both sides by negative. So everything is now positive. So now uT ulingana ba? No 9. Right? T squared ulingana ba ni? No 9. After dividing by 3 on both sides. Now this means that uzofaka i-square root lapha on both sides. Now, asizumfaka plus or minus lapha, right? Why? Time is always positive. Time is always going in a positive direction. It always goes forward, not backward. Is it clear? So asizumfaka lapha plus or minus. So it means time would be equals to 3 lapha. So the question here to be after how many seconds will the temperature be a maximum? So after 3 seconds, the temperature will be at maximum. Now we'll see a topic elul. All right, 5.2. Can I erase the side? Oh, okay, 5.2. I'm only left with 2%. All right, but in now 5.2, it says 5.2. Ngizwa info. Khona discuss. All right, so now it says 5.2, a particle moves according to the formula, right? So a particle moves according to the formula. So the formula lapana ubani S equals to 6t minus 24 square root of t plus 30. So a particle moves according to that formula where S is the distance, right? Where S is the distance. So lapana city distance or what? It's a distance or what? Displacement. Delta y or delta x. Depending on hamba horizontally or vertically. It's a distance in what? In millimeters. In millimeters. So it's a distance in what? In millimeters. Right? And then from a fixed point P after t seconds. Should see uti lapa, it is what? It is time in what? In seconds. Right? Right? Okay, now it says determine the distance from P after 9 seconds. Determine the distance from P after 9 seconds. So sifuna balapana US at 9. So you just go and substitute by 9 where there is T. Right? Sifuna ini a distance after 9 seconds. Right? From point P. Okay, so banobani, let us substitute lapa 6 times 9 minus 24 root 9 plus 30. So i distance engakanani that particle. Bani? 12. It is 12 what? Distance is measured in what la scenario? In millimeters. Now the last part la payana. The particle reaches its minimum distance from P after t seconds. Determine the values of what? Of t. Right? So it reaches what? The minimum distance after t seconds. Now, for the minimum distance. US prime no 0, then we solve for t, right? So now we will say US to derive S. No. So let us first evaluate US simply in a way like a derivative. So 6t minus 24t to the exponent 1 over 2 plus 30. Right? Now we can get to US prime. Now we can get to US prime. S prime is over 6 minus 12 t. What is 1 over 2 minus 1? Negative 1 over 2. Right? Then 30 derivative yake ubani 0. Then you must take this part c equated to 0 and solve for t. Ubani? Oh, the unknown. Okay. So this is 6 minus 12t to the exponent of negative 1 over 2 equals to 0. Can you solve for t laphaya? Alright, so this will be 12t to the power of negative. Okay, simple with a positive exponent. Okay, because then negative 1 over 2 equals to 6. Right? Equals to positive 6. Why positive 6? Angisho ngizothatha lo ngimtranspose to the side abe negative bese abe negative by 2 then divide by negative on both sides. Right? And then now this can be written as 12 over t to the power of 1 over 2, right? T to the power of 1 over 2 can be written as square root of t, isn't it? Right? Msalandele? Don't be confused. And then this is equals to 6, right? From here we can just cross and multiply, right? This will be square root of t equals to 6 times square root of t equals to 12. Square root of t equals to what? Equals to, what is 12 over 2 over 6? It's 2. Then you can square on both sides to solve for t, right? And then t where to over ubani or 4. Should see after 4 seconds, the particle will reach the minimum. Was it the minimum or maximum distance? Okay, the minimum distance from point P. So lana, this scenario is like there is a point here, or point P, and we have a particle. Particle, let us call it maybe A. From this fixed point, point P. So my mover, reach sort of a minimum distance. Reach after 4 seconds. I show as a mover neskati siaham. Right? So after 4 seconds, it will reach in the minimum distance. Was that the last one? Alright, but in Lapana, the length of a wire 4 meters long is cut into 2 pieces, right? So a length of a wire, the length of a wire is what is 4 meters long, and it has to be cut into 2 pieces. One piece is bent into a shape of a square, and the other one in the shape of what? Of a cycle, right? Shuthi laphayana sinaninke. Sino wire wethu ubude bawo kubani ku 4 meters, right? So sizowukhatha into 2 pieces, right? Owodwa pieces sizowugoba noma nizowugoqa wenze ibe isquare, the other one sizowugoqa wenze ini the cycle, right? Now if the length that is used to make any the cycle is x meters, show that the sum of the areas of the circle and the square is given by f of x. F of x equals to 1 over 16 plus 1 over 4 pi squared square meters. So what is it that you are given, the power given was now the length of uwaya lo zokhanda a cycle. So you can just say it's the perimeter of a cycle now, because it's the length of a wire used to make any a cycle. So it is what the perimeter of a cycle here too will be x meters, right? And in length your wire ephelele is 4 meters, right? Now let us prove layer formula or layer function, right? So now in layana, this is the area, or is the areas of what? Of a circle plus a square. In terms of what? In terms of x, right? How do you calculate the area of a circle? How do you calculate the area of a circle, class? Senilambile. It's pi r squared. Senilambile. Hayibo. Ukulamba, guys, it shouldn't be something to worry about for you. Nzolamba mase no grade 12. How do you calculate the area of a square? Area of a square is length times breadth. So you can just say it's length times breadth. Alright, so to end up how information is no wire 4 meters long, right? And x meters walaphayana uzoconvertwa or uzothathwa ukhathwe ube yini ube yicircle, right? Shuthi iperimeter of a circle of our circle izolingana nobani no x meters. Shuthi iperimeter yani ye square now. After removing x meters lapha kusele bani kusele u4 minus x, right? Kusele bani u4 minus x. Okay. So now kushoda in lapha yana kushoda angisho sifuna obviously sizofuna iradius yani yalaphaya. Sizofuna futhi in yalaphayana the so called length ne breadth yalaphaya, right? Okay, how to calculate the perimeter of a circle? Perimeter of a circle now. Guys, you did measurements last year. It's pi times distance. Can you please confirm, Lapo, Mr. Perimeter of a cycle? The circumference, yes, cycle. It's pi d. 2 pi. Okay, 2 pi r and pi d is one the same thing, right? Because vele u d is equals to 2r. Right? Diameter is equals to 2 times any radius, right? Okay, so now we can say lana, okay, asibhaleni in terms of 2 pi r because lana sinani sino r, sifuna r. So this is equals to 2 pi r. Okay, now making r be the subject of the formula, let me erase this one. Masenzu r is a subject of the formula lapha. Sizoba no r equals to x over 2 pi. Sandawai. Alright, now sinani ke futhi sine perimeter of a square. Elingana no by perimeter of a square yethu elingana no 4 minus bani minus x. How do you calculate the perimeter of a square? Siyazi siphe anisho kwi square all sides are equal. So in length ne breadth yalapha kwi square le balingana. So you can just write this as length squared, right? Because in length ne breadth yani be square le balingana. So if this is length then low breadth vele low na low ya balingana. So you can just write this as ama length onke, or you can just write them as breadth bonke, right? So now, how to calculate the perimeter of a square? Perimeter of a square, it is length plus length plus length plus another length, right? This must be equals to 4 minus x. Uban lona u 4l, right? 4 times length olingana ubani no 4 minus x. Now we must make ubalapana ul be the subject of the formula because you know medicine system substitute alapaya. Right? So kuzoba loyana kuzoba L equals to, must divide everything by 4 lapha sosala no ba. It's 1 minus 1 over 4x. Right? Okay, now asizeni la substitute ke soba no bani no pi u r wethu simthole as what? As r. Okay, u r wethu it's x over 2 pi. Then this is squared plus L wethu sewubani u1 minus 1 over 4x. This is also squared. Can you simplify lapha? Now it's all a matter of algebra. Can we simplify lapha? Asqale si square lapha. So this is pi into x squared over 4 pi bani squared, right? Because we square everything. Okay, then plus, what is the square of this one? So by square salapayana, it has to be 1. Then what is 1 times 1 over 4 times 2 times negative 1 over 4 times 2? What is 1 times negative 1 over 4 times 2? Negative 1 over 2x, because you know x la paya, right? Then now what is the square of 1 over 4x? It has to be 1 over 4 all squared to so 1 over 16, right? 1 over 16 x squared zoba x all squared. So what did we do to get this product? So usually if you have x minus 2 all squared, I should look brackets out 2 and then say low times low, low times low. The simplest way to do is square the first term, find the product of all the terms or all the digits and then you square the last term. So zotini x all squared is x squared. Then x times negative 2 times 2 zosolabani negative 4x. Negative 2 all squared is positive 4. Izofana noma uthini uthi x minus 2 into x minus 2. So you'll say x times x is x squared, x times lower is minus 2x minus 2x plus 4. This will sum up to negative 4x. This was proven by one of my fellow classmates. Maths. So nani ngayisebenzisa not ukuthi izosebenza e-University of Zululand kuphela. Alright, let us also distribute laphana by what? By lower pi, right? When we distribute by low pi laphayana, low pi lo uzocancel pi eyi-1 laphaya, sebe about 2 laphaya. What is left is seleno x squared over 4 pi. Then siqhubeke sibhale okusele plus 1 minus 1 over 2x plus 1 over 16x squared. We can group omjani like terms. X squared over 4 pi can be written as 1 over 4 pi squared, right? So loss ngambhala as what? As 1 over 4 pi squared. So ngaleyo ndlela lo na lo aya sebeyafana, right? So singaba group again and say this is going to be 1 over 4 pi then plus what? Plus 1 over 16. Bonke labana they are multiplied by bani x squared, right? Because yini leyana kahle kahle ama coefficients kabani ka x squared kula ama like terms ethu. Sabon? Yes. Sabon? Yes. Alright, and then sibe nobani omunye 1 over 2x is negative 1 over 2x and then plus 1. That's how it's supposed to be in square meters because lapha besikhuluma ngani ngama meters. So guys, ukuprove you mustn't fail to prove. Naniqeda ukuprove into eyi-serious kabi, naniqeda ukuprove i-similarity ne-proportionality. Seniqedile ngisho nge-Euclidean. Niqale kanjani i-calculus singayiqeda nge-Euclidean? Hey. So nibeke emkhulekweni guys nizopass. No, nizopass. Okay, so I hope ukuthi i-proof yethu i-right lapha i-clear to all of us. Right? I-proof let me hope ukuthi i-clear to all of us. Right? You mustn't fail to prove. I-answer nikeziwe lapha. Ngeke ukuthi ungahlula ukukhombisa i-answer. Now the last one ke lapha just know ukuthi after proving kuzohlezi kukhona into ezokudinga ukuthi uderive equate to 0 and then solve for the unknown. So now two-one laphana, how should the wire be cut so that the sum of areas of the circle and the square is a minimum? So now for minimum area or for minimum areas, laphaya f prime, I'm sure this was f prime, f of x, so now f prime should be equals to 0. Then you have to solve for x, right? Now solve for x laphaya mawusolva for u-x lapha uzothola ukuthi i-length kabani or i-perimeter ye-circle kumele ibe uba, and then uwaya lo futhi omunye oselobe kumele ukhande isikwele kumele ube uba, right? So like I'm sure the length of the whole wire was 4 meters. So now i-question ifuna sisole ukuthi ukuze ama areas lawa oyi2 abe ama minimum, i-circle kumele ibe uba meters, nesikwele kumele sibe uba meters. Uwaya lo ozokhanda isikwele kumele ube uba meters, nowaya lo ozokhanda i-circle kumele ube uba meters. Is it clear? So now we have to derive lapha, get the derivative, and then this is equator to 0. So to get the derivative lapha, obviously asikwazi ukuderive kunjaya, right? Asikwazi ukuderive kunjaya, kumele sithathe kuphi la sesisimplify khona, right? Okay, from here you can just add ama-like terms lawaya, right? You can just say f of x, let us add ama-like terms lapha. What is 1 over 4 pi plus 1 over 16, because ama-coefficients laphana ka-x squared. Add lo na lo aya. Kahle we are removing brackets. Asibhale in fraction. Ayenzeki in fraction. Yes. Send round of fill. Right. Since vele laba be ama constants, ne? Okay, pay attention. Since laba be ama constant, actually there is no x lapha inside the brackets. Let us not bother ourselves by distributing lower x squared lapha. Let us just say 1 over 2 times yonke leyanto leya, or 2 times yonke leyanto leya. What do you get? And then we'll subtract 1 from the exponent. So what is 2 times 1 over 16 plus 1 over 4 pi? Still ayiphumi futhi fraction. When you say 1 over 16 plus 1 over 4 pi, yonke leyanto leya times ngo2. Ngithola bani? 0.28. Asathen 4 decimals. Because asikafiki with final answer. Should say it's 0.2841 x, right? And then lo siyazi ukuthi loyana ubani 1 over 2x, right? So thina sithole derivative yala sothi 1 times lo negative 1 over 2 sole bani negative 1 over 2 phela, because u-x uzoba ne-exponent ewu0, right? Then now sesithole derivative yala phaya, right? Now we must find ubani. Okay, we can just take this one and equate it to 0. And then solve for x. So you transpose half, so you know 0.2841 x equals to 1 over 2. Then divide both sides by layer number layer. What is the value of x? It's 1.76. What? Meters. Oh wow, wonderful. Yeah, Ion. So it means again now the wire should be cut in such a way that it's circle wire lozo kwenza circle angisho bu x shuthi uzoba 1.76, and then wire lozo kwenza isquare, the square uzoba 4 minus 1.76. Yeah, that is correct.